Guys, welcome to Rukia's Kitchen channel. Let's learn how to make this tasty sweet vermicille known as Tambi za kukaanga in Kiswahili. These are one of the foods which are mostly eaten during the month of Ramadan. Without further ado, let's learn how to make this recipe. So in a pot you're going to pour some water and let the water to boil. Once the water starts to form bubbles, you're going to add the vermicilles. You can just break them into pieces or you can just dip them like that and cover them and let them to cook for approximately 8 to 10 minutes or until they're nicely cooked and soft. Once the vermicilles are soft, pour the water and place the vermicille in a separate bowl. Then we're going to start to make our syrup, and that's why we call them sweet vermicille. In a pot, you're going to add a quarter cup of sugar. You can add the sugar or you can reduce and pour a bit of water, crushed cardamom and drops of vanilla essence. Stir and let the syrup to cook until it becomes sticky. Once the syrup starts to become sticky, then you're going to add 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. Keep on stirring. Then you're going to add the boiled vermicille and lastly some raisins. It's optional to add the raisins. Mix everything well and let the vermicille and the syrup to cook until nicely combined like so. And once ready, serve the vermicille on a plate. And our sweet vermicilles are ready, as you can able to see in the video. Serve along with some hot tea or anything that you like and enjoy your vermicille. Please kindly don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and of course share and do subscribe. And if you're going to try out this recipe, please kindly come back to the comment section and let me know. And see you next time. Bye bye.